So, recording sickness absence is another great feature of Breathe. So as a manager, if one of your employees should phone up sick, this is what you need to do. So first of all, you need to find them. So you would click on Employees and then My Employees. And it would show you a list of all your employees. So unfortunately, Bella has phoned in sick. So we would click on there and then click on Sickness. So as you can see, there has been some other sicknesses, but they've all been closed. So we would just click on the little cross button and we would put the first day of sickness. So the first day of sickness being the 9th of July. If you don't know when they're coming back, say they phoned up and said that they're unsure of when they're going to return to work, you would leave this blank. If you know or you haven't managed to do it in the morning and it's actually the end of the day and you know they're coming back, you can put their day of sick. Should somebody go home halfway through the day, you can also log that by just clicking on the half day and saying whether it's AM or PM. But at the moment, we're just going to leave this as open sickness. You can then also choose the type of sickness. Now we do limit what this can be for sensitive issues, but then we can then use this to see the reasons why people have been off sick and if there's any trends going forward. So at the moment, Bella has got cough, cold and flu. If there's any other notes that you want to put in here, say going to see the doctor or something like that, you can always put any notes that the employee has told you in that part as well. And then just click on the Add Sickness. When you log in, so if you go back to your dashboard, you will then see that there is an off sick since the 9th of July for Bella. This will stay there until you close it. So if we click on this again, and Bella has now come back to work, and she actually came back to work on the 11th. You can either complete it, or if she hasn't come back to work and maybe you've raised a query. So after 7 days, an employee is required to produce a fit note to say that they're okay to be at work. For the first 7 days, they can self-certify. So say you've asked an employee to bring in a fit note, you can type this in here. Any notes that you put in this section will be visible by the employee, so just be mindful what you put on here. Any other notes in the actual notes and reminder section cannot be seen. So anything in here, fit note required, and then hit submit. So if we go back into the sickness, you can click on it by viewing there as well. You just go back into it, click on the edit. You can then say return to work and update the sickness once they've come back. When they do come back, if they have had to provide a fit note, then you would click on the plus arrow here and you would upload that to the system, and then also any return to work interview that you've done. So everything for that period of sickness is kept in one place. Once you've completed absolutely everything, you would then hit completed, submit, and the sickness would then go to status closed.